What is going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to write daily content on Medium. This is one of the best ways to grow on their platform, get to 1,000 daily views or more, and make significant income from the platform. It can start at a few $100s each month. Some people make thousands of dollars each month writing articles on Medium, but a big part of that is writing every single day. Now, before we get into all of that, we do have a quick message from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Live Marketing HQ. Discover the 77 copywriting secrets that can help you exponentially boost your online sales. Sales copy is the most critical part of any online business, and it's an area most people treat like an afterthought. If you want to master your sales copy, grab your copy of The Ultimate Guide to Copywriting for under $7. A link to this resource will be in the description of this video. So the big challenge with writing daily content on Medium, first we have to figure out how to write enough words each day, but that's not too much of a challenge once you have a routine that works for you. Because for doing daily articles on Medium, you really just need to do 1,000 words each day. We're not writing books. We're not writing long blog posts. I like to keep my articles at around 1,000 words, and that's where a lot of the top Medium articles are. You can even go a little under that, 800 words, if you feel like that completes your point. So as long as you are able to write 1,000 words each day, you can write daily content. And this could be done through you wake up, you do all 1,000 words on the spot, or you do all 1,000 words at night when everyone's asleep, or you spread it out. So you do 500 words here, 500 words there, you get to your thousands, and you finish the article. The real challenge with writing daily content is coming up with that many ideas. So there are a few different ways that we could come up with enough ideas. One is to take each idea and approach it from multiple avatars. So we talk about avatars, like figuring out your best client avatar. So we know what types of people are more likely to buy our products and services. Similarly, you could have different writing avatars. So you could take the same topic and approach it from personal examples, historical context. So in investing, for instance, I could have a personal example of a good return I got on an investment. History, I could talk about a really successful investor. Comedy, although some people may not be into this one as much. I don't use the comedy avatar very often, but I do find use of it from time to time. And you can also go and use just the tactical type of article, and that's just scratching the surface. So think about all the different styles you're comfortable writing in. Are you comfortable doing personal examples, case studies, a little bit of comedy and tactical stuff, and then squeak in some more stuff as you go. This gives you four different, at least from this example, four different ways to approach the same idea. And the more writing avatars you give yourself, maybe you give yourself like the Mythbuster or the Critic, or just some other ones you think of on the spot based on how you write, you have more ways to approach the same ideas. So similar to repurposing content on different platforms, this avatar perspective allows you to create multiple pieces from the same idea. The next thing to do, though, is actually come up with the list of ideas, because it's great to have this whole avatar perspective, be able to approach the same idea in different ways. But if you don't have good ideas for your content, or you feel like it's especially difficult if you feel like you have talked about the same topic already and don't want to sound repetitive in your writing, it gets a little more difficult. So the thing I do every single day before I start writing is I just browse on Medium. And I do have I pay $5 a month. I am on their membership plan because it allows me to read the entire articles. And I do enjoy the articles, but the better part is that I am able to see other writers and what they have said. So I'll look in the money section, I'll see what other people have done, and I'll say, hey, I have a good take on this. Let me make this my next article. So rather than completely ripping off a writer, I just look to see what are some ideas that I feel like I have a perspective on, rather than, okay, 3 ways to budget yourself accordingly. And then I write something like 3 strategies to develop a better budget. So we're not doing stuff like that. We're just looking to see where can we add an additional perspective that maybe is missing in that article. Maybe we feel like we have something so different or some extra insight that makes the idea a little bit different. So I just like to browse around other people's content. And you can also do this on YouTube, watch videos related to what you write about and listen to podcasts related to what you write about. The best way to come up with ideas is to just constantly consume other people's content. And when you consume other people's content, you as a reader, listener, viewer, you get to see what did I really like when I was consuming that content and what did I want more of? And that will be the best way to come up with more ideas. And then as you are creating the content and you're putting it on Medium, you're doing the daily content, you will get a better idea of what clicks the most with your audience. And then you hone in on those topics. One of the reasons I write about money so much on Medium, investing and just like money saving and good stuff to do with money, income stream, stuff like that, I write about that topic the most because that is a topic that clicks the most with my audience based on all the articles I've done, based on what content has the most views on Medium. So as you create more content, it will give you more data, which will make it easier for you to narrow in on the few ideas that are going to have the biggest splash for your success on Medium. And then it just comes up to just having those consistent daily habits, writing the 1,000 words each day. On some days, write 2,000 words, write 3,000 words, write multiple articles in a single day, because now you want to build a reserve. So let's say one day you can't write just because you're busy, you've got another project, but now since you have the extra reserve, you are able to still publish on that day, even though you don't write words for your Medium articles. So those are the strategies that I use to write a Medium article every day. It's a very simple strategy, nothing too complex. And let me know if you guys are using Medium, if you are writing over there, or if you're just going to apply this to your blog, because it's really good to apply to your blog or any content platform in particular. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe for more like this, and I'll see you guys next time.